You must have seen hoardings and banners. Some words in these catch your attention because they are written in a certain way. The text group helps you to do the same thing in a Word document as well. Text box under this group is used to insert text that needs a reader's attention. The text can be quotes, headings, etc. Let us insert a quote. Click the text box. Next, select the style. You can see the text box is inserted. Sometimes you have to drag a text box to the desired location like this. Type or paste the quote and its source. When you insert a text box, the Drawing Tools Format tab appears. The tab has commands that allows you to format the text box. To change the shape, select the text box. Next, click Edit and then change shape. Now select the rectangle shape. The shape of the text box is changed. To convert the shape into a freeform, use Edit Points. To draw a text box, use Draw Text Box. You can also add an outline, apply effects, or fill the text box using different commands from the Shape Styles group. For example, to add an outline, click Shape Outline and choose the standard outline color. You can see the outline color of the text box changes. Select a color from the Shape Fill drop-down to fill the text box. To remove the fill color, click No Fill from the drop-down list. You want to create a banner and add some fancy style to the words in the banner. No problem. The WordArt Styles group has different WordArt styles. Let us add a style to the title text. Select the text box. Click the More arrow in the WordArt Styles group and select the required style. You can see the style is applied to the text. Now, click Text Fill and choose the color. In the same way, you can apply outline color to the text. Now, you can apply a text effect. Click Text Effects. Choose the effect style and its variation. You can see the change. Now, let us look at the text group. You can use Text Direction to specify the text direction. The Align Text command is used to set the text alignment within the text box. You can use this to position the text at the top, in the middle, or at the bottom of your text box. Sometimes the text may not fit in one text box, leading to text overflow. In this case, you can use Create Link to link the text box with another empty text box to avoid text overflow. To add alt text, click Alt Text under the Accessibility group. The Alt Text pane appears. You can add the relevant description here. If you select the Mark Decorative checkbox, then you do not need to enter any descriptive text. You can specify the position of a text using Position under the Arrange group. To specify the text wrapping around the text box, use Wrap Text and the relevant wrapping option. You can bring the text box forward or backward by one level using Bring Forward or Send Backward. In addition to the text box, if you want to view all the other objects, click Selection pane. Click Show All or Hide All to show or hide objects. You can align the text box on the page by using the Align command and selecting a relevant alignment option. Use Distribute horizontally or Distribute vertically to distribute multiple text boxes horizontally or vertically. You can align the text box to the page or margin. Use Align to Page or Align to Margin for this. Click Use Alignment Guides or View Grid Lines to turn on guides. These help you to align different text boxes and other objects. To specify the settings for guides and grids, use Grid Setting. As we have learned before, you can group different objects using Group and then move and format them as a single object. Again, to consider each object separately, use Ungroup. If you want to rotate or flip the text box or any other object, use Rotate and the relevant option. To view more rotating options, click More Rotation Options. If you want to precisely specify the size of the text box, enter the values in height and width boxes in the size group. For advanced size settings, click the dialog box launcher. The Layout dialog box appears with the Size tab selected by default. Specify the values in the height and width boxes and click OK. This is all about the Format tab. Now, let's come back to the text group under the Insert tab. Many times, you have to reuse the same content in different documents. You may be typing it every time. You can avoid this by using Quick Parts. The Quick Parts in Word is used to create, store, and find reusable content, including auto text, document information such as title and author, and fields. Let's say this is the text you want to reuse in different documents. Select the text. Then click Explore Quick Parts and then select Auto Text. Now click Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery. In the Create New Building Block dialog box, enter the name and click OK. The text is saved. To insert this text into another document, click Explore Quick Parts. Select Auto Text and choose the text. Use Insert WordArt to apply a fancy style to the text. Drop cap is used to enlarge the first character at the beginning of a paragraph. Select the letter and click Add a drop cap. Select Dropped and the letter format changes. Select In Margin to apply drop cap closer to the page margin. You can use drop cap options to specify different settings. The digital signature is now commonly used to digitally sign different documents. You can insert a digital signature by clicking Add a Signature line and specifying the details in the Signature Setup window. Now click OK. The signature is added. You will notice the cross mark. It will be replaced with the signature once you download an email signature service using Add Signature Services. This takes you to the external Microsoft website. The web page provides different options to download a digital signature service. Let's come back to Word. Now, to insert date and time, use Insert Date and Time. You can insert another document into the current document as an object. Click Object and the object window appears. Under Create New, select the object type. If you want to embed an existing file, then click the Create From File and browse for the file in your computer. Select it, click Insert, and then click OK. You can see the document is inserted. If you want to display the object as an icon, click the Display as Icon checkbox. Click OK. You can see the object is inserted and displayed as an icon. To insert specific text from a file, use Text from File from the Object drop-down list. This is all about the text group.